Most quality problems aren't caused by a single mistake. They're caused by a system that allowed the mistake to happen. That's why simply fixing a defect isn't enough. If you don't identify the root cause, the same issue will eventually come back. That's exactly what the CAPA process is designed to prevent. CAPA stands for Corrective and Preventive Action, and it's one of the most important processes in regulated manufacturing. In this video, we'll walk through the CAPA process step by step using a real-world example so you can see exactly how it works. Step 1 is identifying the problem. Let's say a medical device manufacturer starts receiving customer complaints about a leaking product. The first step in the CAPA process is identifying and documenting the issue. CAPAs can be triggered by customer complaints, non-conformances, audit findings, supplier issues, failed inspections, or recurring trends in quality data. In this example, multiple customers report the same defect, and the quality team determines that the issue is significant enough to require a formal CAPA investigation. Step 2 is containment and risk assessment. Before searching for the cause, the organization focuses on containment. Potentially affected products may be placed on hold, additional inspections may be performed, and production processes may be reviewed. At the same time, the quality team evaluates risk by asking questions such as, how serious is the issue? How many products might be affected? Could there be safety, compliance, or customer impacts? Answering these questions helps determine the urgency and scope of the investigation. Step 3 is root cause analysis. Once the immediate risk is controlled, it's time to find out why the issue happened. This is where many organizations either solve the problem permanently or guarantee it comes back. A common mistake is treating symptoms instead of causes. Using tools like the 5 Whys, fishbone diagrams, and data analysis, investigators work backward until they identify the true root cause. In our example, the investigation reveals that a critical assembly fixture gradually drifted out of tolerance. The leak wasn't caused by the operator. It was caused by equipment that wasn't being detected during routine checks. Step 4 is corrective action. Now that the root cause is known, the organization can take action. Corrective actions are designed to eliminate the cause of the existing problem. In this example, the organization replaces the fixture, recalibrates equipment, reviews affected product lots, and updates maintenance procedures. These actions directly address the root cause identified during the investigation, but fixing the immediate issue is only part of the solution. Step 5 is preventive action. The next step is preventing similar issues from happening again. Preventive actions focus on reducing future risk and strengthening the quality system. The company might increase inspection frequencies, improve maintenance schedules, add automated monitoring, or implement additional process controls. Corrective actions solve today's problem. Preventive actions help avoid tomorrow's problem. Together, they create a stronger and more reliable process. Step 6 is verify effectiveness. Many people assume a CAPA is complete once actions have been implemented. In reality, organizations must verify that those actions actually worked. This may involve monitoring defect rates, reviewing complaint trends, conducting follow-up audits, or analyzing process data over time. In our example, the quality team tracks product performance for several months after the changes are made. If leaks disappear and performance remains stable, the CAPA is considered effective. If not, further investigation may be required. Step 7 is closure. Once effectiveness has been verified, the CAPA can move to the final stage, closure. The organization reviews investigation findings, completed actions, effectiveness evidence, and required approvals. The CAPA record should clearly document what happened, why it happened, what was done to fix it, and how the organization confirmed the issue was resolved. This documentation becomes essential during audits, inspections, and future quality reviews. Let's quickly recap the CAPA process. First, identify the problem. Second, contain the issue and assess risk. Third, determine the root cause. Fourth, implement corrective actions. Fifth, implement preventive actions. Sixth, verify effectiveness. And finally, formally close the CAPA with complete documentation and approvals. When done correctly, CAPA is much more than a compliance requirement. It's a structured system for solving problems permanently, reducing risk, and continuously improving quality. By focusing on root causes instead of symptoms, organizations can prevent recurring issues and build stronger processes across the organization. And that's why CAPA remains one of the most valuable processes in any quality management system. Still need help? QT9 is here for you. Try our CAPA software free or schedule a demo by visiting our website, qt9software.com.